Hi guys! Let's start the new year off with a healthy breakfast recipe. A lot of people I know don't like the taste of oatmeal, but if I make them this recipe, they'll eat it and actually enjoy it. All the ingredients and measurements are in a link right below this video. It's very simple to make. I'm using old-fashioned oats. This is the kind that cooks in 5 minutes. Apple, you can use any variety you like. Dates for something sweet and chewy. You can substitute golden raisins or black raisins. Pecans for something crunchy. Sliced almonds or chopped walnuts are also a good option. Ground cinnamon, and a tiny bit of brown sugar for a hint of sweetness. If you're using dates, take the pit out and chop them up into small pieces. Peel the apple and cut into chunks. If you're using pecans or walnuts, just toast them in a pan for a few minutes. Sliced almonds you can add directly to the oatmeal. Boil water to cook the oatmeal. When the water comes up to a boil, add the oatmeal. Give it a stir. And cook for 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes, now add the chopped apple, cinnamon, pinch of salt, cover and cook for 2 minutes until the apples just start to get soft. They should not be mushy or fully cooked. Add a little bit more water if you need to. The oatmeal is cooked, the apples are just starting to get soft. Add the brown sugar and the dates. Turn the heat to low and just mix everything in. Stir in the nuts at the end. And it's ready to serve. Here's the steaming hot bowl of hearty oatmeal. It's extremely healthy and tasty with the dates, nuts, apples, cinnamon, a little bit of brown sugar. Even people who don't like oatmeal will like this recipe. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.